Did you know that small adjustments to your routine can generate significant financial returns? Imagine transforming your daily habits to build a solid and prosperous future. Today, you will discover the secrets that millionaires use to multiply their wealth. No, this isn't magic or luck. It's about consistency, discipline, and the choices you make every day. This video will guide you through the habits that shape the world's greatest entrepreneurs, so you can apply them in your own life. Get ready to take notes on valuable tips because your journey to financial independence starts here. Financial success isn't a matter of chance. It's built on a foundation of consistent habits that, over time, yield extraordinary results. Think about this. How many times have you skipped something that seemed small but could have led to significant changes? That's the exact point. Today, you'll understand why daily habits are so powerful and how they shape the destiny of people who decide to take control of their financial lives. Studies show that 88% of millionaires spend at least 30 minutes a day reading or engaging in continuous learning. But that's not all. They also develop structured routines that prioritize what truly matters. What sets them apart isn't the number of hours in the day, but how they use that time. And the good news? You don't need to be a CEO to apply these strategies. Small adjustments are enough to create significant long-term impact. Let's start by exploring the importance of planning your morning. How you begin your day sets the tone for everything that follows. Millionaires like Tim Cook, Apple CEO, wake up before 5 a.m. to review their daily goals. The idea isn't about the time, but the intention. Dedicate the first few minutes of your day to reviewing your priorities, setting clear objectives, and mentally preparing yourself. Something as simple as organizing your day can drastically increase your productivity. Think of this as an investment in yourself. Another indispensable habit is continuous learning. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in the world, reads an average of 500 pages a week. This doesn't mean you have to devour books like him, but incorporating learning into your daily routine is essential. It could be listening to a podcast, watching educational videos, or taking online courses. The key here is to stay updated and acquire new skills that increase your market value. After all, knowledge is the only asset no one can take away from you. Now, let's talk about consistent financial management. Many believe they need to earn more to invest. But the truth is that organizing what you already have is a first step. Millionaires meticulously track their expenses, identify opportunities to cut costs, and most importantly, prioritize investments. Use apps to simplify this process and maintain the discipline of reviewing your finances weekly. This may seem simple, but it's one of the most powerful strategies for building wealth. Connections are also fundamental. Millionaires understand that networking isn't just about meeting people, but creating strategic relationships. Attend events, join groups with similar interests, and be willing to learn from those who have already achieved what you aspire to. Great opportunities often arise from seemingly casual conversations, which result from a conscious effort to be in the right place at the right time. And let's not forget about health. What's the point of accumulating wealth without the energy to enjoy it? Many successful entrepreneurs prioritize physical exercise and a balanced diet. This isn't just about living longer, but about making better decisions. A healthy body keeps your mind focused and resilient, qualities indispensable for those seeking financial growth. Something as simple as walking for 30 minutes a day can make a huge difference in your performance. Real-life stories are always a powerful way to connect with these concepts. One example is Sarah, an entrepreneur who turned her small shop into a $1 million business by adopting these habits. She started by adjusting her morning routine, dedicating 20 minutes to reading and setting clear daily goals. Over time, these small actions accumulated into impressive results. Sarah also began attending events in her field, which led to strategic partnerships that multiplied her earnings. If she could do it, why couldn't you? In the end, it all comes down to choices. You can continue living on autopilot or decide to take control of your life. Each of the habits presented here is a piece of the puzzle that leads to financial success. It's not about changing everything at once, but about starting with one step. Choose one habit, implement it today, and see how it impacts your life. If you enjoyed these tips, subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, and share this video with someone who needs to transform their habits. Remember, success begins with small choices. The change is in your hands.